Every year, brands promise us the best phone ever, but let me ask you one honest question. Do flagship phones really feel different anymore? Today, three phones are getting crazy attention: OnePlus 15, Honor Magic 8 Pro, Vivo X300 Ultra. On paper, they all look powerful, but in real life, they are made for very different people. And if you choose the wrong one, you'll regret it for the next 2 to 3 years. So don't skip this video, because the most important part is at the end. These phones are not just upgrades, they represent three different philosophies. OnePlus believes in speed and balance, Honor believes in premium and AI. Vivo believes in camera dominance, and this difference affects daily usage, battery life, camera experience, and long-term satisfaction. Keep this in mind, it will help you decide later. Because the best phone on YouTube might be the worst phone for you. OnePlus 15. OnePlus keeps design clean and functional. No unnecessary shine, no heavy curves. When you hold it, it feels balanced, solid, practical. It's made for people who use the phone a lot, not just show it. But here's the catch, some people may find it boring. Honor Magic 8 Pro. Honor wants you to feel premium immediately. Curved glass, bold camera design, luxury finish. This phone screams, I'm expensive, but premium design also means slippery grip, accidental touches. So design is beautiful, but not always practical. Vivo X300 Ultra. Vivo doesn't hide its purpose. The camera module is big, the phone is heavier, but it feels like a tool, not a toy. If you love photography, this design will excite you. If not, you may feel it's too much. Design looks simple on camera, but this choice affects comfort for years, and this is just the beginning. All three phones use top-tier AMOLED displays, but displays are not about specs. They are about how your eyes feel after hours. OnePlus 15, natural colors, smooth scrolling, less eye fatigue, best for long use, reading, gaming. Honor Magic 8 Pro, very bright, punchy colors, strong HDR, best for outdoor use, social media, flashy content, but too much brightness can feel tiring. Vivo X300 Ultra, cinematic look, deep contrast, photo and video focused, best for movies, editing, creators. The display you love in the shop may annoy you at night. Remember this. Let's be honest, all three phones are powerful. You won't see lag on day one, but the question is, which phone stays smooth after 1 year? OnePlus 15, clean software, fewer background processes, stable performance, best for gamers, daily heavy users, long-term use. Honor Magic 8 Pro, feature-packed UI, everywhere, customization, best for power users, people who love settings. Vivo X300 Ultra, performance tuned for camera, heavy processing, smooth but busy software, best for creators, camera lovers. Performance is not the biggest problem. The real problem comes with the camera. OnePlus 15, a balanced camera system. Main camera, 50 megapixels, ultra-wide, 48 megapixels. Telephoto, approximately 64 megapixels. OnePlus focuses on natural colors and consistency. Photos look realistic, not overprocessed. This camera is made for daily photos, stable video, reliable results. It may not win every comparison, but it rarely disappoints. Honor Magic 8 Pro, AI focused camera. Main camera 50 megapixels, ultra-wide 50 megapixels. Telephoto, tilde 180 megapixels. Honor uses high megapixels with heavy eye. Photos look sharp, bright, social media ready. Zoom is one of its biggest strengths, but sometimes AI changes the photo more than reality. Vivo X300 Ultra camera is the priority. Main camera 50 megapixels, ultra-wide 50 megapixels, periscope telephoto 200 megapixels. Vivo clearly builds this phone around the camera, best for low-light photography, long-range zoom, fine details. This camera is not just for quick shots, it's for people who care about photography. Quick camera summary for retention, most natural photos, OnePlus 15. Best AI and zoom balance, Honor Magic 8 Pro. Best overall camera power, Vivo X300 Ultra. If camera is your top priority, this section alone can decide your phone. Battery is not about numbers only, it's about how relaxed you feel using your phone. OnePlus 15 best daily balance. Battery, approximately 5400 mAh. Charging, till the 100 watts fast charging. Wireless charging, yes expected. OnePlus focuses on fast charging plus stable battery usage. You can charge quickly in the morning. Use the phone heavily without stress. This phone is made for people who hate slow charging. Use their phone all day. Want balance, not extremes. Honor Magic 8 Pro long endurance game. Battery, approximately 5600 mAh. Charging, 80 watts fast charging. Wireless charging, yes. Honor prioritizes battery endurance over speed. This phone feels like less charging anxiety. Longer screen on time. Better standby drain control. Charging is slightly slower than OnePlus, but the phone lasts longer overall. Vivo X300 Ultra power with a cost. Battery, approximately 5500 mAh. Charging, till the 90 watts fast charging. Wireless charging, yes. Vivo gives you strong battery numbers, but the camera hardware consumes more power. What this means, normal use equals great battery. Heavy camera and video equals faster drain. This phone is built for creators, photographers, users who accept battery trade-offs. Quick battery summary for retention, fastest charging and balance. OnePlus 15, best long day endurance. Honor Magic 8 Pro. Best for camera users, Vivo X300 Ultra. Battery won't impress you in the shop, but it decides your daily experience. If you watch till here, you're already smarter than most buyers. Like if this helped, subscribe for honest tech, and comment, which phone would you choose and why?